I would call this the introvert's guide to the boat show. I'm going to give you a slow pano of everything I see. When it's quiet and beautiful. Morning. And we have the place to ourselves just about. And while we wait, I'll give you a quick, we'll just take a quiet stroll. And I'll show you some of the cool stuff that we are going to see today. No idea what that is, but I know that some of you who are from Annapolis will know what that sound was, but you see some people. So that's a super close hotel, like literally it's in the middle of everything. I did not stay there. I took an Uber over because that one is $400 or $500 a night, and mine was a Hilton for $150 a night. So I was not staying in the middle of everything, but I also saved a couple dollars. I think one of the things that is the most exciting for me, look at all of the masts. Like, I don't think I've ever seen so many masts all together. That is exciting. All right. Some very cool boats to see. You know me, I'm going to stick with catamarans today because I only have a few hours before I have to fly home. So we are going to focus on that. So doing a longer walk down. The nice thing is I can kind of scope out what I want to see before the crowds make it really stressful and loud and gets a little overwhelming. So I can be more tactical. And when I do a live, at noon today, I can show you the best stuff. Morning. Right now, I'm completely lost. I have no idea where I am. I know I need to be back at the press tent at 8:30, but for now, I'm just going to keep walking deeper and deeper and deeper down the decks. All right, down there. So down there we have the Seawind 1170, I think, 1190. I'll double check on that. And I am going to go scope out the HH66, be HH44 They were not able to get it here on time because the weather was just not cooperating. But we're gonna see what we can do on the 66, which I think has some of the same hybrid technology. We're gonna find out. Oh, this is one of the boats. It's a newer one, the Vision 444. Y'all have heard me talk about freeboards and windage. That's got some serious freeboard height. A lot of them are doing the new side entrance where that flips down and you can walk right on, which I love it because sometimes on the Reboot we have to wait until low tide so our parents can step on board because they are too old to climb up or jump down. There's a 48 through 4. Tall freeboards again. Beautiful. One of the things I like about this one is some of them, the windows are so low down that when you're sitting in the cabin, you can't see out. It's just sort of like this bar of light above you. And for me, keeping me from getting seasick is a big deal. And being able to see the horizon, that matters. Here we have a lagoon. And here's our HH catamarans. There's a Fontaine Peugeot. There is Nemo. That is the HH66. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, so you know that basically down here is where I'm going to spend a lot of my time. This is a Lagoon 55. Even taller freeboard. Like this is a sail that you can never put down. So while it makes living on board incredibly comfortable and incredibly easy, you also have to remember that if you're in a situation where you have to compensate for the wind, that matters. That is literally a big old slab that's just gonna push you. And you have to be ready for it. So, morning. We got some bollies. And here is a Lagoon 51. And you can hear everything starting to wake up now. It's neat to see what's changed and what has stayed the same. Good morning. It's neat to see what has changed and what has stayed the same from my 2009 Lagoon to the 2023 Lagoons. And here we have all the Fontaine Peugeots. She's a thick girl. I don't know if I could fit her in my canal. And wrapping back around, let's see, what time is it? 8:10? All right. Now I'm just early, not ridiculously early. Let's go find some hot tea and some carbs. See you out there.